Imagine you wake up tomorrow, and every dollar, every euro, every rupee has simply vanished. Cash is gone. Banks are closed. The entire planet now runs on a single currency: Bitcoin. No government prints it. No bank controls it. And only 21 million coins will ever exist. It sounds like the ultimate financial freedom. But rebuilding the whole world on a fixed, borderless money would change your savings, your paycheck, and your daily life in ways almost nobody expects. Here is what makes Bitcoin so different. Governments can print endless amounts of normal money, and every new note quietly makes the ones in your pocket worth a little less. Bitcoin cannot be printed. The supply is capped forever at 21 million. In a Bitcoin world, no one could inflate your savings away. The money in your account would hold its value for decades. With no banks in the middle, you would become your own bank. You could send money to anyone on Earth in minutes, across any border, without asking permission. But that freedom cuts both ways. Your entire fortune would sit behind a single secret key. Lose that key, and your money is gone forever. No hotline, no manager, no way to get it back. Now think about who loses power. Governments could no longer print money to fund themselves, freeze your account, or steer the economy from the top. That is freedom for you. But it is also danger. When the next crash hit, there would be no central bank to step in and soften the fall. And a handful of early holders would sit on staggering wealth. There is a deeper trap. If your money is guaranteed to be worth more tomorrow, why would you ever spend it today? People would hoard their coins instead of buying, and the flow of money could grind to a halt. Add wild price swings, and the coffee that costs you a little this morning might cost a fortune next month. So would a Bitcoin world be a paradise or a disaster? It would end inflation, erase borders, and hand you total control of your own money. But it would also strip away every safety net and reward those who got in first. Freedom and chaos, it turns out, are just two sides of the very same coin. Money is really just a story we all agree to believe. But what if the people telling that story simply disappeared? What if you woke up and every other human on Earth was gone? That is next time on Iffinity.